There are many products available to choose mirror, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mirror from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Keonjinn 24x 36-inch LED bathroom mirror with lights. For those who want to skip squinting into a small circle, there's also the option to splash out for a full-size, wall-mounted bathroom mirror equipped with a luminous perimeter. LA-based interior designer Jackie Searman loves installing illuminated mirrors in her clients' bathrooms because they are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Casting a warm and even glow that's flattering and precise, Searman recommends the brand Mirror, which offers bathroom mirrors in a cornucopia of sizes with both front and back illumination options. And since it has a plug-in version, installation is effortless, with no electrician required. The classic oval shape is an especially popular choice among Searman's clients, but rectangular, oblong, and round shapes are also available, so you're guaranteed to find one that's the perfect fit for your bathroom. Number 2. FENNIO Vanity Mirror with Lights 22x19 LED Lighted Makeup Mirror. Writer Catherine Newman received this wall-mounted mirror as a birthday present from her husband. As a woman in her 50s, she'd noticed a beard coming in, which is just the worst, and I also can't see very well. She likes that it offers both regular magnification and 10 times magnification, which makes her less likely to miss some horrible curling mustache hair. The telescopic arm means it can be inconspicuously tucked against the wall when not in use, and it's also conveniently battery-operated, so when it needs recharging, all she has to do is plug it into an outlet. Briefly pressing a button on the front toggles the light temperature between cool, warm, and natural light settings, while a long press adjusts the brightness up or down. Newman has owned the mirror for 6 months now and says it's held up great. There's nothing glitchy and it doesn't feel cheaply made, she says. Number 3. Hasipu Vanity Mirror with Lights and Bluetooth Speaker 40x30 LED Makeup Mirror. Although Havenly design director Heather Gorzin acknowledges that a hardwired, wall-mounted makeup mirror can be a costly investment, she thinks this sleek, stylish, simple human mirror brilliantly blends form and function. It's a bit more simplified than the freestanding one recommended above. It offers just one light setting, natural daylight, and it's only equipped with 5 times magnification. However, it comes outfitted with the same automatic motion sensor as well as a telescopic swing arm, which allows it to be easily adjusted and tucked away neatly when not in use. Number 4. New upgraded makeup mirror with lights, 23.27 x 17.7-inch lighted makeup mirror. If you want to feel like a glamorous old Hollywood movie star, this mirror from Impressions Vanity mimics the look of lighted dressing room mirrors with some contemporary touches. While the mirrors of yore were studded with incandescent bulbs, this one uses LED bulbs, saving energy and allowing you to switch between natural, cool, and warm lighting. The company also offers a multitude of sizes and designs, from $100 tabletop mirrors to over -$1,000 full-size vanity mirrors, so you can choose one that best fits your space and budget. It has feet, so it can sit on your vanity, or you can anchor it to your wall. Number 5. Hasipu Full-Length Mirror with Lights 83x36 LED Lighted Floor Standing Mirror. A trifold mirror, while typically bulkier than regular mirrors, lets you view your face from various side angles in addition to head-on. This ease-hold mirror comes with 4 magnification levels, regular, 2 times, 3 times, and 10 times, and holds the distinction of being the top-rated makeup mirror among Amazon reviewers with over 500 5-star ratings and multiple reviews praising its rotational abilities and light settings. The vanity design is very efficient. I can see all sides of my face so I won't miss a spot. One reviewer enthuses. It's a perfect size and it doesn't take up much space. Another agrees that viewing multiple angles of your face at once is very helpful. The side mirrors work great for me in managing my piercings, they say. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.